Hi nail queens, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Carol Annette and I love doing my nails, doing nail art, gel, dip powder, more gel, stamping, air dry nail glue, press on nails, all the things. I'm not a big fan of acrylic, poly gel, or just regular traditional nail lacquer, but everything else I totally love. So those are like my favorites, my forte, the mediums I really like playing with. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about all my favorite things that you can get on Amazon, and it just happens to be Amazon Prime Day for 2 days. Mind you, they don't like send out a list of products that are going to be on Prime Deal. So if I mention something that's not on Prime sale, I'm sorry, but I do love the product anyways. So anyways, the very first thing I want to talk about is something that I'm currently wearing, and it is the BT Art Box. There's the logo, BT Art Box. Soft gel tips. I actually use them as press-on nails. You do not have to use gel to glue these on. I use air dry glue. I have my Dashing Diva Fast Bond somewhere. Let me go find it. I usually glue on my press-on nails that I design with Gel X tips with the Dashing Diva Fast Bond glue. It's been sold out for a little bit late recently, so I don't know if it's going to be restocked in time for this sale, but it does come back in stock every once in a while, and Dashing Diva said that they don't have plans on discontinuing it, so it's here to stay. But if you want something that is comparable to the Dashing Diva Fast Bond Nail Glue, because this is out of stock, if this is out of stock, I highly recommend the IBD 5-second Gel Glue. Not the other ones, not the brush on, not the one with the nozzle, but the gel one. So the gel one actually has a very, very, very similar consistency to the Dashing Diva Fast Bond, and I was very, very impressed with it. I actually glued this set on with the 5-second gel glue, so I highly recommend this one. The only thing I don't like about it is a pretty small tube in comparison to the Dashing Diva. Let me show you. And the price of it, depending on where you get it, can be very steep. From the IBD website, I know it's like $7, which is disappointing, but this is 20 grams for the Fast Bond, and it is, I believe, 4 grams for this one. And I was able to get this for like 17, 18 bucks on Amazon, and this one, I'll have to check the price, but it's definitely not cost effective. If you're able to snag this one, I highly recommend this one over the 5-second gel glue, but it's good in a pinch if you need something that works just like the Dashing Diva and you're like, oh shoot, I don't have time to like wait for the Dashing Diva to come back in stock. Definitely hit up the gel glue from IBD. It's amazing. The other thing I mentioned is these nail tips from BT Art Box. I'm currently wearing their extra short almond. I do feel like they're more of a roundish oval, so I wouldn't call them like true extra short almonds, but they are a great length. They're very, very short. As you can see, they're standing over my nail beds just like a little bit. I find these to be a true great extra short. I also have their short almonds. Yes, these are in nude, but they do sell them in clears. They sell a bunch of styles and shapes and everything in clear, so I highly recommend picking those up. But if you don't like applying your nail art tips, like your Gel X tips, with glue, get the Extend Gel from Après. They sell it on Amazon. If you don't want to like deal with the shipping costs from their website and everything, get their Extend Gel. It comes in a gold bottle like this, and I usually use like one of my little nail art lamps, which I'll link one that's comparable to the one that I currently have. And I usually flash cure with this, and it flash cures like in 5 seconds, so you're not sitting there trying to prevent bubbles for super long. Occasionally I do still glue on my nail tips with glue. It just, ever since I started my press-on journey, it's happened a little bit less and less and less. Another thing that I absolutely love is these 3 and 7 tiered nail polish racks. So I got the 3-tier, and I keep it on my desk, and I keep like my essentials in that 3-tier one, but I keep the 7-tier ones in the back where my nail art and like display and everything is. I keep the 7 tiers there. I have 4, 6. I have 8 in my office right now, and I'm actually looking at getting another one to fill in the one empty space I have where I could definitely use a little bit more storage to hold my gel polishes. I absolutely love those racks. They're incredible, definitely worth the money, and they go on sale quite frequently. So even if they're not on sale during the sale for Prime Day, I highly recommend adding it to your cart or put to your save to later in your Amazon cart and just monitor the price as it goes up and down. I also, before I get too deep into this video, want to teach you of a hack or just like a trick to do, because sometimes when Amazon is running these sales, they're not really honest. Like the sellers themselves, they're not really honest about the price that they're putting on. They'll hike up the price of the item and then they'll give it like a sale discount, and it makes you feel like you're saving so much money, but really you're not. So I'm going to tell you about this website called camel.com. Yes, like the camel humpback, the cigarettes, camel cigarettes, you get it? The camel. It's camel 3 times. Camel.com. What I do is take any link to any Amazon product that I want, and I just go paste it into the search bar on camel.com, and it will tell me the price history of that item the whole time that it's been on Amazon. Mind you, if the seller created a new listing, you won't be able to check the price because the price will be non-existent for that link in particular. And sometimes Amazon sellers change the product but keep the link the same, like they completely change the product. So sometimes you'll check reviews and you're looking at reviews for like a nail art palette, but it's really reviews for batteries. Makes no sense either. See how misleading Amazon can be? Anyways, so yeah, it's great to feel like you're saving money, but camel.com will truly save you true money. It will tell you when was the last time it was that low price. So you'll be able to see the trends of that brand, and if they bring it up and down a lot, or if it's like very, very rare for them to hit that low price. So if it's like far and few in between that they hold sales, I'm more likely to buy it. But if they hold the sales more frequently, I'm going to wait it out. Okay, so everybody who does gel or Gel X or anything like that needs a nail art lamp. So I was able to find this on Amazon. I think when I purchased it, it was like in the $30 or $40 range. I'm going to have to check on that. But they sell an amazing, first of all, detachable bottom. Sorry, that took a second. The bottom is detachable, so if you do toes, that's very convenient. If you do Gel X and you don't have a flash curing lamp, this is very, very convenient. But this thing is cordless. So if your power goes out, you are still able to do nails. Isn't that neat? So I really, really love this thing. It's very, very convenient when the power goes out, because it goes out here in Texas a lot when there's a storm. I forgot to take that part off. There we go. But this thing is really, really nice. It holds charge for a good amount of time. Obviously, I didn't time it, so I couldn't tell you how much time. But I really, really like this lamp. And it's sleek, it's white, it matches like all of my furniture in my office and everything. So I really, really like this nail lamp. And you can't beat the price of this, because honestly, there's like, how many brands out there? Like iGel's one of them. There's like literally tons of nail brands, Young Nails, Opre, brands like that they sell like very, very high quality lamps, but they are expensive. And so I feel like this is a very high quality lamp. I love the feature of it being cordless. So you get a cordless lamp, a very good quality lamp and everything, for a fraction of the price as you would get at one of those big name brands. And quite honestly, I don't want to spend $300 on a nail lamp. Like, no. Kiara Sky, your stuff is cute, but you can keep it. Where are my press-on nail artists or my gel enthusiasts? If you're one of those, this thing, or even polish, quite honestly, this book is so worth it, especially for press-on nail artists. So it is a swatch book. I've tried different ways of swatching like my gels for my press-on nail shop and everything, and I have found this one to be my favorite way. It's a cute little book. It's a display case and everything, and the little slots right here come numbered underneath every single one, so it goes from 1 all the way to 120. And there are several cool things that go along with this, and let me show you. So the first one is you can take the whole strip off. The whole strip. And move it wherever you want on this. But I'm not going to do that because I know that number 21 is a certain brand and a certain color. But you can also take the very specific slot out, because they provide you with these tips that literally click in. Sorry, I'm just going to click this in. They provide with clear tips, so many of them. So many of these clear tips and this cute little oval-y display thing. And you just put the tip on there, prime it, paint it with your gel polish color, and cure it, top coat, all those things. Take it off and move it into the number that you want, which is super duper convenient. And there's more than 120 of these things, which is nice in case you accidentally miss something up or paint something twice. So they have all of these little display things. They have 2 extra ones. I'm not sure why there's 2 extra ones, but I'm not mad about it. Maybe your kid or your dog or your pet, something, they break it. So I like that they provide extra, more than just 120 and more than just like 10, or was it 10, 6? No, there's 12. More than just 12 of these little racks that you can pull out. So I've been loving this for showing off what colors I have. I'm clearly in progress of swatching everything. I focused mainly on my nude color range because, as you can tell, it is a quite large range. But I love this thing. The Swatch Book is so absolutely perfect and so easy to swatch all of your colors. Speaking of swatching, I absolutely love swatch dots, and I have been using these. I've had them for a while, and I use them on like those gel liner polishes. I had some brands that like literally didn't have the color at the top, but I also have brands of gel polishes that don't have the color at the top, which is a little disappointing. They don't have it literally anywhere on the bottle. This company has upgraded their packaging, so all new bottles do come with a little color swatch dot, but previous older ones did not, which can be a little frustrating. So I used swatch dots to be able to identify what colors I have in my little storage rack. And what I use to adhere them is this thing. Let me show you. It's another thing you can get on Amazon, and it's a roll of literal dots. Just dots. They're just little dots. I just put that on the top of this guy. Let me show you. I just take the bottle, put it on the top right there, and then I stick the swatch dot on top of that. I'm not going to do that in this. Oh, I actually do have a swatch dot just chilling somewhere over here. I don't know where I put it. Oops. Oh well, it's somewhere in existence. But it's so easy to use the swatch dots and just put it on there. This is glue, so obviously I'm not going to put a swatch of glue on here. But these swatch dots are super convenient if you ever run into a company that does not use little swatch indicators on their bottles. And there's so much more you can actually use swatch dots for. So if you're a press-on nail artist and you don't want to buy this like display nail art book that I was just talking about, you can swatch all of your colors on swatch dots and put them on like a piece of cardboard, cardstock, a canvas, something like that. Anything that's like a display board for you, and just have them all like the little dots there however you want to show off your swatch colors, which is really, really nice. There's more than one way to do things, so. So Model Ones has color cubes, and I remember the first time that I ever tried this, I wasn't too sure about it, and that's because I didn't know that you had to prime your gel brush. I've come a long way since then, trust me. Gotten a lot better, but these things are very, very highly pigmented. They're very, very creamy, and they're beautiful, beautiful colors. The only thing I would say I don't like about them is if you're somebody who runs a business where you have to have those consistent colors available at all times, when you run out of this, you're gonna have to buy like one color. You're gonna have to buy the whole thing all over again. But the prices of these are very, 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 very affordable in comparison to buying the bottles and the kits of the bottles from any brand out there. These go on sale all the freaking time, so take my advice about the camel thing, and yeah, get yourself some Model Ones color cubes. They also have different ones that are larger. Let me show you. That's how much Model Ones products I have. Lots. They have the vinyl record color cubes, which are really, really nice too, and they are such beautiful colors. As you can see, I've already dabbled in the red over here. It's funny because there's a darker red, but I love the vinyl record ones. They come in so many different colors. They're absolutely stunning. But like I said before, when you run out of one color, you have to purchase the whole palette all over again, which can be a little frustrating. But these are super duper creamy. So if you're just trying to like dabble in a bunch of different colors and you're not worried about like restocking and everything, those things are definitely worth it. They also have wonderful gel polish kits. So I have a set of like pinks and nudes right here sitting on my nail desk because I was swatching them and using them earlier, but they have so many different colors. Like this teal is so, so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And their kits always come with your top coat, your matte top coat, your base coat, base, matte, and top coat. Okay, that's nice. That's pretty nice. I like this. What else do I like from Amazon? I need to do a press-on business owner version of this because there's some things that I really, really like, but they're very press-on businessy version-y. Do I want to talk about this keyboard? I do. I do. I'm sorry. Okay. So I'm talking about a keyboard because I do video editing all the time, and I just upgraded my keyboard to this one. It's very, very sleek, low noise. I mean, you can still hear my clickety-clack. But when you're doing it without nails on, it doesn't clickety-clack as much. Oh, my computer over there is like, oh, what are you doing? But I love this thing, and it comes with the mouse. And it also comes with a charging cord if you don't want to rely on batteries. And it has a little Bluetooth connection so you can connect it to your computer or your laptop, however you want. But I don't know, I just really, really like it. I've been using it for like a week now, and it's wonderful, and it's super, super sleek. Like, look how thin that is. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on all things Amazon. Hopefully a lot of this stuff is on Amazon Prime deals. If it's not, again, I'm sorry. But definitely use that Camel website to your advantage to decide if certain things are definitely worth the investment, or if they really price drop, or if they're price gouging. Because I'd hate for you to be taken advantage of simply because Amazon is having a Prime deal, but these sellers are like hiking up the prices and then pretending they're on sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you like this content, because I'm creating content like this all of the time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!